Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the column that contains cells starting with a single quote. Once selected, press Ctrl+C to copy, then paste into Notepad if you must confirm the quote is stored, not visible. Make a backup sheet now to avoid data loss. Next, use Excel's text to columns, data text to columns delimited finish. This forces Excel to reevaluate entries and often removes the leading quote. Make sure to observe how numbers and dates convert. Once the quick conversion didn't fully clean everything, switch to formulas to control results. Use equals value, A1 when you need true numbers, because value converts text digits into numeric types. If you must remove just the first character, use equals right, A1, len A1 -1 and drag down. This keeps formatting predictable. After formulas populate, copy the new column and use paste special values to replace originals, so formulas don't remain. Make sure to verify dates and leading zeros after replacement. You finish by choosing a robust final method. For very large or stubborn datasets, run a short VBA macro that iterates cells and removes a leading apostrophe. This is fast and repeatable. Alternatively, clear cell formatting or repeat text to columns to force conversion. Once done, reapply number or text formats as needed. If problems persist, export to CSV and re-import with correct column types to reset storage. Tip: if value
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.